I hope you're having a beautiful day. My name is Leia and welcome to A Touch of Glam. I'm so happy to have you here and I'm so excited to take you along with us as we deep clean and decorate our whole backyard for today's video of our backyard update and reset. In Arizona, the summer can be so brutal as the heat makes it impossible for us to have a nice and clean decorated backyard over the summer. With the monsoon season and dry heat, excessive hot temperatures, dust storms, and blazing hot sun, our backyard over the summer leaves us with a dirty outdoor furniture and dried flowers and plants that we didn't clean and touch throughout the summer. But now that summer is over, it is now time to deep clean this whole backyard and plant new flowers now that we have a beautiful perfect fall weather going throughout winter for us Arizonians. So to start off with our deep cleaning, we will be power washing and scrubbing all our outdoor furniture to take off all the dirt and debris that has collected over the summer. Shout out to my wonderful helper that is always so willing to lend his mom a helping hand. Throughout this video, you will see a ton of power washing, scrubbing, sweeping of all our outdoor furnitures and floors to make it clean and safe for us to use again. I simply hosed down all our furnitures and seat cushions and pillows, used some Dawn detergent, and bought a new broom brush from Dollar Tree to use as my scrubber and got to cleaning. This cleaning was not a one-day task but took us 3 days total to deep clean and decorate back to our own little backyard oasis. You will be seeing that we were still cleaning even through the night when the temperature outside is much cooler. So if you have a huge cleaning task to conquer, remember it's perfectly okay if it takes you some time to finish. So if you're needing some cleaning motivation to get your outdoor cleaning task, this video is the perfect video for you. Before we continue with the rest of the deep cleaning backyard reset, this video is in collaboration with my great friends of RELXTIME. RELXTIME pioneering in water entertainment, blending relaxation and sustainability with cutting-edge technology and eco-conscious design. RELXTIME craft products that prioritize well-being and environmental responsibility, offering fun and relaxing experiences worldwide. Creating fun, relaxing experiences, RELXTIME has sent us their 6-person square inflatable hot tub and 130 massaging air jets gray laminated classic spa for us to enjoy together as a family. Upon opening, we are pleased that the product is safely packaged and secured and has all that we need to set up to start our RELXTIME in no time. My husband installed the tub in a breeze as the instructions are extremely easy to follow and is very simple to do so. First step that he did was to unfold the spa in a clear area that is firm, flat, and without any sharp objects. He then unscrewed the air valve caps on the air outlet and attached the inflation hose. Then the hubby screwed the air valve into the spa tight and unscrew the cap on the top. Then connect the air inlet and air valve with the hose. The plug is plugged in secured already. The only thing to do so is to press the bubble button and watch the tub inflate in no time. This hot tub is extremely easy to set up that takes 5 minutes to install with no tools needed. That has an all-weather resistant cover and with a secured locking cover clips, making it safe for little ones. This hot tub is the ultimate package, providing everything you need to get up and running. Made to withstand freezing with its freeze protection thermal insulation made by ply laminated PVC, this hot tub is durable and has structured stability. The hot tub comes with a barometer, so after filling the spa with air, he then used a barometer to measure the air pressure. The pointer in the green area is considered normal air pressure and should not exceed the green area. When it's properly inflated, this hot tub is durable and strong. This hot tub comes with filters that is installed on the water inlet and prevent hairs or other small debris from entering the chassis, in preventing damage to circulation function and influence the service life of the spa. It also comes with a matching rubber mat to help prevent slips upon entering and stepping out of the tub. Now all that's left to do is fill it up and wait to enjoy and relax in our RELXTIME massaging air jet hot tub spa. We love that this hot tub is made for up to 4 to 6 people seating and heats up to a soothing 100 degrees Fahrenheit. With 130 surrounding powerful air bubbles, built-in integrated water filtration system to keep the water clean, and has durable laminated PVC inflated walls for durability and comfort. With its integrated motor design, RELXTIME hot tub boasts an internal engine maximizing space efficiency without compromising performance, and their energy-saving spa cover, the spa cover with insulation aluminum layer, can successfully minimize the time and frequency take to reheat the outdoor tubs. Also, the protective sleeve prevents items from entering the water and also reduces the number of filters used. We love that it has a built-in thick cushions, plush seating cushions directly into the design for an unparalleled comfort and support as we relax. We also love the exceptional value priced around the $400 mark. Their hot tub offers an unbeatable blend of luxury and affordability that is complete with a host of accessories. With its soothing bubble jet massage system, a rejuvenating massage system consisting of 130 all-surrounding air jets that encircles the perimeter of the floor, the jetted air bubbles helps relieve fatigue at the press of a button. We are extremely happy and love our newly added relaxing space in our outdoor living with RELXTIME's inflatable massaging jetted hot tub spa, and look forward to the time we can relax and enjoy each other's company as a family as we spend quality time in this jetted hot tub together. So if you want to also relax and unwind as you enjoy a bubbly massage, I will provide RELXTIME's info and link on the description box below. Thank you RELXTIME for sponsoring a part of this video. Moving forward to the rest of our backyard deep cleaning decorating reset, we hope you get a ton of cleaning motivations and decorating inspirations throughout this whole video. I want to thank you in advance for being here, whether you are new here or a part of the wonderful, amazing Glam family that has always been with me since beginning. I am so grateful for each one of you. I hope you guys enjoy the whole video. Please continue watching till the end to see the whole transformation and for the final reveal in how I have decorated and created our wisteria flower arch. Again, thank you for being here and taking your time and watching. much for watching today's backyard reset. I hope you were able to get tons of ideas and motivation in deep cleaning and decorating your backyard with all that we shared. Please kindly give this video love by giving this video a huge thumbs up and share with your family and friends that you think that could use some motivation or inspiration in cleaning and decorating their backyard. Also, don't forget to check out RELXTIME if you would also like to add a relaxing space in your backyard with their jetted hot tub spa. And if you have not subscribed yet, today I hope you consider doing so. I would love to have you be part of our Glam family. And to my beautiful, amazing Glam family that has always been with me, thank you so much for being here and for your continued love and support. I pray God blesses you all abundantly. Till the next video, sending you love through the air hugs and blown kisses your way. God bless you all abundantly. Bye!